Roger, holding and Alaska for Elliot East, Bravo 5.
Gosh, there's all the curve marks on the again.
104, Roger, cross north south and spot 5 to drop your packs. You make sure your fueling points are facing the white.
Head down north south, spot 5, good,
Yes,
Squirrel to fuel, please. Squirrel to fuel.
and packs off.
And packs off.
Vacate Charlie, hold Charlie.
Fueling, please.
India, cross north south. Ground taxi in fire Alpha. They're alright if I bring him in behind, or shall I hold him on the side just for their safety?
Yeah, just
I'll just hold him. I'll just sit there. If I just put you down north side, just hold you there for a second, just to get the ground crew out of the way.
Yep, perfect. Copy, visual. Visual with 1, copy the other, visual with them also, thanks. And the bottom now,
Roger. Yellow 3, if I can keep you south side, please mate, and stick you down on the grass just for now. The wind is 210 degrees 6, 109 departing south to north, and 2 others north side. Keep the north side for the moment, just for safety. You to the right side, and then we'll cross you over.
Another rotor's running. Fresh air, 169.
Copy, keep a good look out to see the mark out there. 2 short line.
Roger, land also ground, your discretion T309er. And Gold 04, if you can drop packs with the door on the left hand side and then ensure your fueling's on the fueling point is facing the fueling. That sounds obvious.
Mike Yankee Yankee to Luton as well, visual the traffic.
Mike Yankee Yankee, safe evening.
Mike Yankee Yankee.
Share this Dauphin, just drop passengers if you could escort them off once the pilot opens the door. Thanks.
Yellow 3 is down, 750, it's Jim. Needs fuel before you go. Yeah, thumbs up.
Yes, please. Yeah, he's going to sound the gauges.
Sorry, last call again. Was that please 7? 6 Golf Charlie, Roger, report that's all burning 2 miles, 15 seconds a day. Also grass, check the greens, runway 26, land your discretion, 270 degrees 6.
You can do first.
Sorry, who was that? Black 14? Black 14, Elstree information. Hello, price message.
Hello, Black 14, here first, 7 POE bus from Silverstone, 5 minutes from Alpha for
Nothing on him at all.
all.
Is it a Victor report to all burning 2 miles?
Yeah, he's going to shut down because he's got a baby, so
Romeo, Roger,
they're going to shut down.
Take your discretion, thanks.
Thanks.
Have a safe trip, 12955.
That's all, 104, returning left at the button.
104, Roger, you are safe clear behind the lift and you can cross the active Kilo touch and go, runway 26, your discretion, 200 degrees 6.
Okay, discretion, go for Kilo.
12955. Black 14, 12955.
12955, go for Chase.
Up Mike, Roger, report 5.
It was departure on that, it was a couple of minutes, was it?
I mean, like, what the hell is that?
What?
That's a Augusta 169. X-ray, Roger, report final side cross is a 169, just getting airborne westerly, and he'll be going out via Alpha. As you cross, as you begin to depart, now for your discretion, the wind 260 degrees 7. 112, Roger, we'll cross you and put you down spot 2.
Elstree, being yellow 2, 640 Alpha.
Yellow 2, hello, report out for inbound 26 left, QNH 1018.
Copy the other traffic.
Okay, so outbound Dauphin and inbound EC 135.
Copy, and all consumption inlet. Local circle.
Project 1905.
For refuel, please.
QNH to 101.
Yellow 2, copy the
Atlas.
Legally 7.
Jersey 1007, we're still joining overhead and request between 1 and 2 circuits if possible. So far, here.
I'll check, we'll see. And yellow 2, just caution, there's a EC 135 in towards Alpha from the northwest.
Schedule that, yellow 2.
Remove your pack.
Downwind, go for Kilo. 123, Juliet, Charlie.
123, Roger. Report correction. Land south side.
500 litres, 500 litres,
500.
Ava.
Roger. Got that.
500.
226, your discretion. 190 degrees at 8 knots.
John, are you receiving? Can you hear?
Isaac count.
Isaac, get to.
There's a bit of an expected departure behind this cross, by Alpha, Black Hole.
Roger, you're both clear behind. Zulu Victor, vacate Charlie.
Take it, Charlie, just through Victor.
You Delta 8 and depart.
Thank you, Charlie, Delta 8,
You get an issue for he wants to do more circuits, doesn't he? Come on, Dave.
Well, I did do, like, just to reposition onto 2, we're just waiting for clearance to go from Silverstone. Still find, Roger, comment, okay, thanks.
How many got on mark to get off?
7 on board.
7 to come off. Sure.
Sorry, second?
7 to depart.
Anytime, they should be taking our races running, and I need some tilt here.
Okay. Lift and you can cross the active depart Alpha, your discretion. 190 degrees, 10 knots, you clear behind.
Right, let's got the active right. Combat orange on there.
There's an awful lot of people running very late, but they're all going to pile in very, very quick order.
Because that was a small.
Further information, good evening, again, Gold Course 04, about 2 minutes for Alpha.
04 Mile, report Alpha in 26 left, QNH 1018, I've got a 169, direction of 119 outbound this time.
Cover Alpha, Gold 04.
Tango X-ray, traffic for you before you leave me is a 169 inbound just past Apsley, I believe. It's just called 12955 getting early. Good evening, we're 26 left, QNH 1018, report Alpha inbound. Orange 11, yeah, he's on the way back. Orange 11, that's copied, and how many have you got to get off?
We've got 6,
Excerpt.
Fallen children as well, so it's going to just shut down. Once we've got rid of this one,
To the east of that orange 44, my colleagues will meet you and help once you close down.
The 109 that's crossing now is closing down.
Okay, thank you.
And Isaac. So KLNH is going to start
Just
back
double
up
check that.
and rotors run.
Just double check. 1,300 feet QNH. I'll show with the reservoir 125.625. Have a great evening.
Right, Charlie, cover the big swing, and we'll go. You too. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, nothing no, 12955.
What do you want to say?